You can see Chicago covered in some fog there. That's pretty. In fact, you get a really nice view of the city here. You also get a nice view of downtown Evanston. And those are the two glass Dover elevators I just filmed. And I just discovered there's another one, and this one's a little different. Also very cool though. Here it is. It's just one on this side. That fan sounds nasty. Down to one. Actually does a little pre-door. Also, this does have a kind of different cab. This cab has wood in it. Overload was missing off the COP. There's a counterweight. I like how the window on the top floor is just boarded up. It's real nice. Contacts are dirty. Anyway, we'll go up to 2. Destroyed cart. This place is weird. That's it.